how to add new contact on iPhone properly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add contacts on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. Open up your phone app and then head over to contacts, and then you'll see plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, and then you can put in the first name of the person and the last name. You can even put in company if you want to, and then add phone. Now put in the phone number. You can add multiple phone numbers if the person uses dual sim, and then you can add their email address if you want to. You can add pronouns. You can even set the ringtone and the text tone. And then you can add URL, add their address, even their birthdays if you want to remember it. And then you can even add their social profiles and even put in a note if you want to. So there are various options that you can add in a contact of a person, and then just hit done in the top right, and the contact will be added to your phone. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.